This is a Miele dishwasher. This is the incognito model, and this is the special tool that we use to free up the circulation pump when it binds. So first thing, we just pull up on the lower arm, turn the filter away from us so we can lift that off. And this area here, there's a slot, and that slot back in about maybe 4 inches is that circulation pump impeller. And all we're going to do is put our special tool in there, push it on in, and then once in, all we want to do is move the impeller a little bit back and forth so that we can free that up. So we're going to go to the right, and we'll go to the left, back to the right, and left, just rocking it back and forth, and that's usually enough. Sometimes you can pour in a little bit of vegetable oil as a lubricant to help that thing move. Going back and forth, and then you try it to see if the intake drain light has gone off and you've got the impeller freed up. If not, go back and try it again until you've got it freed up. You can tell though, in order to reach the impeller, I had to go in there pretty far. Let's pull it out again so we get an idea. So, okay, we can see where my finger is. We're going to pull that out. So, went in pretty far in order to get to that impeller. Okay, good luck to you. Should work fine.